Plan Manager Dynamic Mapping Overview. Plan Manager is a dynamic map-based command and control module that provides interactive functionality to better visualize your security environment. There are many features of Plan Manager which assist in the quick and efficient management of your security devices and related events and alarms. Operators can access Plan Manager maps directly from the logical tree of the monitoring task. Plan Manager supports highly detailed maps from various sources, such as GIS data, CAD, PDF, and image files. Using Plan Manager, operators have the ability to rapidly transition across multiple facilities and large areas to view all security devices and alarms, and link to key points of interest in the Favorites tab. Operators can view and control all security devices overlaid on maps, including cameras, doors, and intrusion panels. Changes to a device state will dynamically animate on map icons, such as controlling the orientation of a pan-tilt zoom camera. The Lasso feature allows operators to rapidly select and view associated camera feeds from multiple devices on a map. Operators can monitor events from LPR and access control entities in real time from tiles adjacent to the map. Using the Smart Click feature, operators can instantly position the view of PTZ cameras on a map towards a specified point and display all feeds within the monitoring tiles. Map links can be created in order to quickly access different sites on a map or navigate between floors within a building. Floor plans and site maps benefit from the same fluidity as GIS maps by taking advantage of multi-layer technology. The status of a device can be viewed and modified from the map interface, allowing operators to lock or unlock doors, arm or disarm intrusion panels, and more. Operators are able to rapidly identify areas and devices that have triggered an alarm with a dynamic animation of alerts where events occur. Alarms can be forwarded to other users or acknowledged directly in order to streamline alarm management within the Plan Manager interface. Genetec. Be secure today and tomorrow.